In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add audio to your video clips in Canva. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you get the best results for your project. So whether you're new to Canva or just looking to refine your skills, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to open Canva. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be greeted by Canva's user-friendly dashboard. If you're working on a pre-existing project, go ahead and open it now. Otherwise, you can start a new one by clicking on the Create a Design button. Canva offers a wide array of templates, so feel free to choose the one that best matches your vision. With your design open, it's time to prepare your clips. Make sure you have all the video clips you want to use uploaded into Canva. You can do this by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand side. Drag and drop your video files directly from your computer, or click the Upload button to select them from your files. Once uploaded, drag each clip onto your canvas, arranging them in the order you prefer. At this stage, it's a good idea to preview the timeline, ensuring your video clips are in perfect sequence. Next, let's head over to the Elements tab, also found on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find a variety of resource sources to enhance your design. Scroll down through the list of elements until you spot the Audio option. Clicking on it will reveal a library of audio tracks. These tracks range from upbeat pop songs to mellow background music, so take your time to scroll through and preview different options. You're looking for an audio track with a good beat that complements your video clips, enhancing your overall project. When you find an audio track that fits your style, simply click on it. The track will automatically be added to your project, appearing at the bottom of your timeline. Now, here's where the magic happens. By clicking on the audio track again, you'll notice a button that says Beat Sync. This feature allows Canva to synchronize your video clips to the rhythm of the selected music. Simply click the Beat Sync button and watch as your clips adjust automatically, aligning with the beat of your chosen track. Finally, it's time for the moment of truth. Play your video by using the preview button or hitting the space bar on your keyboard. Listen closely and watch as your video adapts seamlessly to the audio. Notice the changes and how each clip transitions smoothly thanks to the beat synchronization. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've enhanced your video with the perfect audio track, all within Canva. Remember, experimenting with different music styles and clip sequences can bring a unique flair to each project. Don't hesitate to explore and have fun with the tools Canva offers. Happy designing!